Hello, my lovely Sagittarius people. Welcome to my channel, Sharks Tarot. Guys, I heartily welcome everybody over here. Sagittarius, this particular reading is all about the December end month, where we all know that we are ending the 2020 and we are entering into a fabulous year, which is 2021. Now, I would like to say this thing, guys, that just because we all are coming to an end of a kind of an year, so for you people, the personal reading which have been given to you at a discounted rate and the last date of it was 24th of December now has been extended till 31st of December, guys, because a lot of requests from the people came to me that they want this discounted price reading of whole of 2021 to be discussed upon the particular person's life. They just wanted me to extend that, and that was the only reason, guys. We all thought to extend the whole reading. So yes, till 31st of December, you guys have this opportunity to grab this particular reading at a discounted price, where you can take a look onto the 2021 opportunities, whatever it's coming to you, so that you become very much aware about what is coming towards you, what is attacking you, what are the opportunities, what are the strength, what are the weaknesses, so that you could completely take care of the things. And that was the only reason where we are wanting you people to come up and take this particular reading, guys, because with tarot cards we will also be using some numerology and Vedic astrology for you all, for you people, guys. And that was the only reason I think this reading is going to be very fabulous and it will be very beneficial for you guys. Now coming here, guys, we will be starting with the past card Sagittarius you're coming from. Focus card for the December end month. Your strength is here, the weakness card there. We have two cards from the universe as a guidance for you guys for this December end month. And the whole reading is divided into the three phases, the first, second, and third, guys. Okay. The very past card you're coming from, we have the Two of Cups. Okay, Sagittarius, I'll start with this thing that you are coming from a place, from a situation where I see a true love coming onto your place. There's definitely an image of a particular person. You are emotionally connected with them, and I definitely see you wanting a pure commitment, pure love, and definitely you want this romance to continue. I see from the past card that you thought that this particular individual is meant to be, and you thought to share the cup of love with them. And the focus card, we have the Knight of Cups over there, guys. So in this whole end month of December, your focus is all upon the yourself. You are slaying, my dear Sagittarius. You are looking fabulous, gorgeous, handsome if you're a male, guys. Definitely whoever Sagittarius, especially your focus will be on yourself, on your beauty, especially on your personality, on your presence, how you are presenting yourself towards the people. I definitely also think that in this end December month, you will be more focusing on building the best times with your lover. Like in this end phase, Sagittarius, there will be a lot of moments, lot of opportunities coming on your way, so that you will be able to spend beautiful times with the lover, with your lover. So Sagittarius, about the strength card we have here is the Temperance. And definitely with this particular card, I have to say this thing that Sagittarius, you are really wanting this harmony into your relationship. And don't worry about it. Try to take things into a bit slower mode, guys, because if you will have a patience and if you are ready to wait, definitely the right thing will be coming to your place. And if you're thinking of not taking any particular action, guys, that is so great of you, I would say that, because now standing a bit and silently at a different position, at a different place, it is definitely going to prove you the best. The weakness there we have is the justice. Definitely, if you are thinking that you have this particular mindset into your heart that something is going wrong, and I want to find balance, and I want to think that is it good, is it bad, or what is the right thing, or you are searching for this correct thing from, maybe it is with your partner or with anybody else, whatever it is, Sagittarius. But definitely do not try to spy over the other person or the particular person, because if you're thinking to spy, and if you're thinking to provide justice to the other person or justice to yourself, it might prove you wrong, Sagittarius. I need to say this thing to you. And the universal guidances from you, from the universe, we have is the page of swords followed by the five of pentacles, guys. Now definitely I see curiosity on your part. The universe is definitely telling you, Sagittarius, that you have a build up, a strong build up to know this particular person into a deeper level. Definitely you have this thought process into your mind that this is not working. So Sagittarius, I have to say that your person and you, both of you, are not on the same pages, not on the same cover. You need to know about that also. This is what the curiosity will make you know, that okay, both of you are not in the similar pages. Now coming to the faces, guys, the end December month, very first face, we have the Five of Wands, Three of Cups, Sun. Oh, wow. There is definitely a reconciliation wanting to happen between you and your particular person. You definitely are very much positive, guys, and you're in an optimistic manner. We're thinking the stability in the relationship. You want to bring that stability because you know the conflict is already there. It is very important to identify what the conflict is, because once you identify that what is that one and only conflict, once you identify it, you will definitely be able to reconcile it with your particular person by clarifying things. Guys, second phase, Four of Swords, Two of Wands, and the Judgment. See, now it comes up that okay, the universe already told you that do not try to find justice. It's not your duty to stand and to think what needs to happen. No. It's just about figuring out your part. It is very important for you, Sagittarius, to know what exactly is right for you, what exactly is providing you that strength and that energy where you can invest onto the people. And that is the reason where when you start figuring out things, you will get more into this conflicting situations, where you will at the end come to a decision where you will try to take out yourself from that relationship. You will see that no, this is not serving me, this is not working at all for me. And I definitely see you taking a back, waiting maybe, and not telling or not coming up with the with your part, with the emotions you have, guys. And the very third phase, Sagittarius, we have definitely Nine of Swords, the Hanged Man, and the Wheel of Fortune. Sagittarius, when the reading started with the Two of Cups, where the mutual love was existing, where you were wanting to share this cup of love, and when it got ended, it is getting in a very different manner. Where you know the conflicts, you get into that, you think, no, this is not serving me, this is not working. Your mind gets with a lot of worries and a lot of anguishness. Your nature becomes a bit tough to understand. You choose to be silent. You're freeing yourself from all those toxicity around you. You're choosing not to take any action. You're choosing to be silent. And that is the reason where this wheel of fortune comes up to end all those things. So you already know that, see, things are happening, things will be getting an end. So that is the reason, Sagittarius, I need to say, when you started from their loving situation, you entered into conflicting. When you started to understand conflicting situation, you entered into more conflicts. And at the end, when your head gods get into involved with a lot of stuffs, you choose to stop it. Stop it. You will be definitely stopping it also, Sagittarius. That is what I have to say. Because there's an end. End is coming up and you will be reaching the end very soon, guys. And December end is bringing you a lot and a lot of self-centered and a self-caring nature. where you got to know the importance of yours and not to the other person. And it is very important to not get into any kind of a trap also, Sagittarius. I need to say this thing also. Yeah. So I feel this 31st till this 31st of December, things, the universe is going to take all the toxicity, and the 1st January, whatever is coming up 2021, is bringing a new, all of a new beginning and a new start. Thank you everybody. Wanna see you people next time. Do not forget to like this video, share it, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everybody.